Have you ever imagined adults racing down steep hills in modified children's toy Jeeps? Welcome to the exhilarating and unconventional sport of Barbie Jeep Racing, where creativity meets adrenaline. What exactly is Barbie Jeep Racing? Barbie Jeep Racing involves adults navigating downhill courses using modified plastic toy Jeeps originally designed for children. Participants remove the motors and chassis to prevent any hindrance during the descent, relying solely on gravity and their steering skills to reach the finish line. This unique sport combines elements of humor, daring, and ingenuity. Where have recent Barbie Jeep racing events taken place? One notable event occurred in Mendon, Utah, where enthusiasts gathered for an extreme Barbie Jeep racing competition. Participants, both men and women, squeezed into these tiny vehicles and raced down a steep hill, vying for donated prizes and, as the organizer put it, redneck bragging rights. What are the rules and safety measures in these races? Safety is a priority in Barbie Jeep racing. Participants must be over 18 years old and are required to wear helmets. The Jeeps must be made from hard plastic with motors removed to ensure a pure downhill experience. Steering mechanisms are essential, and modifications are often made to enhance durability and control. Despite precautions, the sport carries risks. For instance, a racer in Utah suffered a broken collarbone during a particularly intense crash. How has Barbie Jeep racing evolved in recent years? The sport has seen creative innovations, especially among engineering students. At Georgia Tech, 2 students transformed a pink Barbie Jeep by installing a 6-horsepower engine from a log splitter, along with custom steering, brakes, and tires. This modification enabled the toy, originally designed for leisurely play, to reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, showcasing the blend of engineering prowess and playful experimentation. What makes Barbie Jeep racing appealing to participants and spectators? The allure lies in its blend of nostalgia, thrill, and community. Participants relish the challenge and humor of maneuvering toy vehicles down treacherous paths, while spectators enjoy the unpredictable and often comical outcomes. Events like these foster camaraderie and offer a light-hearted escape from conventional motorsports. In conclusion, Barbie Jeep Racing exemplifies how creativity and a sense of adventure can transform children's toys into vehicles of excitement for adults. Whether through organized competitions or engineering experiments, this quirky sport continues to capture the imagination of thrill seekers and tinkerers alike. For more insights into unconventional sports and engineering marvels, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts or experiences with Barbie Jeep Racing in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories.